Alright guys, thank you again for joining us today. My name is Omar and I'm here at Panera, bringing you a book club, book experience, reading and interpretation of Ask and It Shall Be Given, a book about manifestation. And something I wanted just to explain to you guys was the power of feeling good now. So if we can all feel good right now, we would just be back to wellness and center. And there's six steps I want to explain to you guys. Kind of briefly, is about simply just being simple and enjoying that. Being simple and enjoying it, and you just gotta enjoy the process and enjoy the 6 steps of when you see the people that you love. Just enjoy them, keep it simple, talk to them, feel good now. So what else are we gonna do? You gotta be ready to hear the message that you're waiting for, and you gotta have a good relationship with God, good vibrational set point, just expecting good things. We are keeping our promise to you, and we are reminding you of who you are. And you gotta be saying stuff like, I will live in joy, and I will observe what surrounds me, and I will create my desire. And then we also say, we know who you are. And then they say, what? The girl will be like, my name is Katie. You'll be like, there's no way your name is Katie. But we know who you are. You are secure, funny, enjoy life. Why? Just because. So you just gotta love yourself and just keep clear, just keep doing what you do and being happy in this world, and keep recording your content. You never know when life strikes and your video may go viral. Anyways, you can go and create your own reality, because this is absolute freedom. You are free to do whatever you want in a waking world. So you do create your own reality. Yes, you do. You can create. You're an eternal being, and you're conscious. If you consciously allow your connection to the universe by consciously choosing source energy, remembering your well-being. Your well-being is the basis of the universe. It's like the air you breathe. It's lining up all your money, your relationships, and fulfilling experience, and becoming beautiful and aligned with this world. So I just think that if we keep on striving for greatness and saying good things instead of holding things in resistance, then we overcome this. So the most important thing about success is being able to feel the success coming. And it's important that you release your resistant thoughts, that you're not good enough thoughts, the down in the dirt, the disallowing thoughts, the tension, anger, frustration, adding to your resistance. And you need to increase relief right now. Increase that relief. Be relieved. Feel relief right now. Let the pain go. Well-being is lined up outside your door. Only if you are allowing yourself. Well-being is just basically understood and felt. So if we stay focused and connected to source energy and away from resistance and hindrance, allowing the well-being, we will overcome our personal preferences, because the universe is expanding, and so many vibrational signals of us receiving